Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Olusiano
Where the
XI.
hell have you been the past 30 days, huh?
Well, that is why I'm making this video to say where the hell I've been the past 30 days. So, in the past 30 days, I have been trying to figure out some things here and there. What really happened was that I, as you all know, I took a step back from YouTube so I can refocus my life and figure out some things here and there because I had a lot to do that required my attention a lot. So that's leading me to drop everything that has to do with YouTube and the manga. I have been also trying to figure out some stuff for the manga, like coming up with some new ideas, but that is on for another video. You should probably check it out. So what's going on is that I've been trying to get life together, like make sure everything of mine that I'm doing is organized, so that when I made my return on YouTube as like now, so I can publish some videos here and there, some tutorials if I wanna or have to, and some maybe like some challenges here and there, and also some things about the series so I can update you guys. And thus far I have been doing good in organizing everything. So this video was specially made so to announce my return back on YouTube. So yeah. And another thing is that I've been also focusing on some exams because I've already started writing Monday. So this week's Monday. That's like 2 days ago. So yeah. And for now it has been tough. I'm telling you. Like it has been tough having to trying to keep up with the curriculum and making sure that I got all the information I need in order to ace my exams. So I'm not sure how I'm doing so far. That is why I needed the break so I can like catch up on my studies and make sure everything of mine I pass that and make sure that I pass this term and the rest of the year. That way I can find a way to get myself into university because that's a big dream of mine. Well, it's not actually like a big dream. It's something that I want myself. So that I can fully finish school, making sure that I have a pretty good roadmap towards where I'm going. So yeah. So next year things are gonna also like take another turn. That's being I'll upgrade on my equipment, making sure everything is nice, everything is good. Like I'm not sure if you can tell, but if you're seeing the quality of the video I'm making right now, I actually bought myself a new phone. Well, actually, my dad bought it, but still comes with that. I bought a new phone, and yeah, I finally bought a new phone, making sure that I show some upgrade. You know what I mean? And yeah, so far this phone has been doing wonders. It's beautiful because this is the phone I wanted actually. Like the phone I had last time, the Samsung, the one I've been saying it's creating progress. The one I've been saying is creating problems for me. Yeah, it's on the other room. So yeah, this one has been helping me a lot in making the type of videos like these. Well, this is the first video of that I made with this new phone. So far I have to say I'm proud. And this phone it has a lot of space. So yeah, better it has better qualities, better everything than the other phone. So the other one I'm not sure if you understood what I said right there, but please keep going. So the other one is like I had it for like 6 years down the line, and it cracked recently. Well, not too long ago, but yeah. Was it functional? Yes. Does it still draw and make videos? You saw from the past videos. So yeah, but it has been creating me some problems. So thus I have to waste some times of other things I had to do in order to make sure I publish the videos because that phone was lagging, was taking a lot of my time. So yeah, That's why I have upgraded to this new one. So I'm sure that everything will come out the way I want it this time with this new phone. But my laptop, I haven't replaced it yet, and that's something I really actually want to do, to replace the laptop. So yeah. What else has been happening in the past 30 days is that nothing actually, not like nothing exciting quite happened actually. So yeah, there's nothing much I could say to spice up everything. There's no thing I would say like maybe exaggerate a story and be like, ooh, this that happened, ooh, that happened. Nah, unfortunately, nothing that exciting happened. So I would also be like, if something happened in the past 30 days, I wish it would be something like me going to a manga convention or anything that is manga, so I can like check out some manga or maybe do some signings, if I like get a volume of my own. So like yeah. So guys, please, I ensure you that what you need to know about the series Fatal Blow, you will be seeing it in another video. So yeah, make sure you check out the channel, make sure you check out the series. And if you're new here, I'm Olusiano Exai. I'm the creator and artist of the series Fatal Blow. So yeah, if you made it thus far, thank you very much for watching. Please keep up the support if you're already here. And if you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications when I upload absolutely anything. Links to anything you could possibly need, as in like reading the series, down in the description below. Make sure you check that out. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments down below. So yeah, this is Luciano Exai, and I'm out.